What's Christmas like in Argentina? In Argentina, the months of December, January, and February are summer months, so that means we have a summer Christmas. So no, we don't get any snow. Christmas Eve in Argentina is called Noche Buena. People don't go to bed early. On the contrary, families get together and spend most of the night eating, dancing, and chatting. Kids are allowed to open their gifts at midnight, usually. Santa Claus in Argentina is called Papá Noel. On the 25th, the celebration continues and most people spend the day at the pool eating helado and ensalada de frutas. Make sure to follow us for more Spanish fun facts. Mwah! Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of our content.